Gavin from Taught Skills, and in this week's video I just want to touch on those dreaded tax bills and VAT bills. We all know they're coming, but lots of business owners find it a big shock and they haven't got the money available to pay those bills, and they end up going to the bank or going into their overdraft or using credit cards to pay those bills. And it's something that was drummed into me very early in my business career, which was to save for those bills. We know they're coming. So for myself, I had a shop. Above the shop was a flat, and I used the rent from that flat to put it into a separate deposit account, and I didn't touch it. It just built throughout the year, and then when my tax bill arrived, I used the money from that rent income to pay the bills. So I never had that problem. A really good friend of mine has a very clever way of managing his VAT bills. So when he sends an invoice out, the payment comes back into an account. He then transfers the value of the invoice minus the VAT into his current account, and that is his working capital. That's his cash flow. He leaves the VAT amount in that current account and uses it as a savings account. So what can you do to save for those bills? Look at your income streams. Is this something that you can get a regular income from every month and say, right, I'm going to put that to one side and pay my bills? You should never be in a position where you're having to borrow money to pay your tax bills. I hope that helps. If you've got any suggestions or other ways you can save for your tax or VAT bill, let me know. Thanks, everyone.